So as the Delhi government is saying that measures are being taken to tackle pollution in the national capital region, these are some scathing observations coming in from the Delhi High Court, ladies and gentlemen, when it comes to the rising pollution levels in the national capital region. Now, the court has lashed out at the Delhi government saying, you are responsible for the mess citizens of Delhi are in. Strong words coming in from the Delhi High Court. I'm joined by my colleague Ananya Bhatnagar, who's getting us this piece of breaking news. Ananya, we are seeing this happen year after year, where the courts pull up the governments of the national capital region, namely the Delhi government, when it comes to the pollution situation in the national capital region. But no punitive action is taken against the governments. But at the same time, the courts once again stepping in after that infamous gas chamber comment coming in from the judiciary. Once again, the High Court pulling up the Delhi government for the situation in the national capital region.
Well, definitely, Ayushman, this is something very, very important that has happened in Delhi High Court today. And remember that this was not a matter relating, in fact, to the pollution in the national capital. It was a matter with regards to the cutting down of trees without permission, where Justice Jasmeet Singh has come down heavily on the Delhi government over the current pollution situation in the national capital, clearly saying that they are responsible for this mess. They are basically, he was pointing it out to the forest officials in this particular case. And very, very clearly and categorically, they very, very clearly said that they want people to live in gas chambers is what the observations of the Delhi High Court were. Very, very scathing observations. In fact, I'll read down exactly what the judges have said while they were dealing with this particular case. What we are trying to sensitize you is that you aren't understanding this is a dereliction of duty, cutting corners, total disregard of the court orders. You are responsible for the mess that the citizens of Delhi are in today. In fact, they go on to say and mention about the Anand Vihar situation where, yesterday itself, the AQI was recorded around 999. In fact, they go on to say because of the pollution in Anand Vihar, there is a machine whereas the maximum is only of 999 and the same has been recorded in the Anand Vihar area. And it doesn't record beyond that. It is a touching 999 is what the court went on to say. And in the finality of the court said that you want the people to live, the people of Delhi to live in gas chambers is what the High Court has said. They say that if the lack of sensitivity is lacking in the Delhi government and not only the officials but also in the actions is what the Delhi High Court has said. A big scathing observation coming in from the Delhi High Court when it comes to the pollution levels in the national capital. Whether or not the Delhi government will be taking more actions on it, what would the government be saying next is something that we'll have to wait and watch for. Ayushman.
Right. Thank you, Ananya, for getting us that piece of breaking news.